Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Hello once again. We're back. We are back. So, good news. On Sunday, I think, was the last time I streamed. And I managed to fix my world map problem. So now, this map that didn't work correctly, the camera, now works. So if I play the game, we can move the camera in the way that it makes sense. So, like, you know, it just works. There's it wasn't even like at the end it was pretty simple to set up. This is the code. Um but yeah, it doesn't have zooming yet because I don't know if I want it to be able to zoom. Um but it works. And it works by having a bounds based on the world instead of the camera limit like it used to. So yeah, that's not a thing. But for now it works, so we're good, you know. And so I fixed that, and then what? That's about it, I think. Yeah. That was the main issue that was keeping me from continuing. So today I want to make a few interesting choices. One of them being to use amgui or I am GUI, imgui, I don't know. Amgui, I think it's called. I'm not sure. To I want to start using it for debugging because I learned that going to code and like doing this manually and whatever is kind of not great. So I want to make a system where I can just have debug tools that would work in the game. So I can like open a menu with a button or something, and it would open the cheat menu or something, and or the debug menu, and then I could like, I don't know, add or subtract money or check how the rollers are doing, like their stats and stuff, and like cheat in, like buy them from, for free and stuff like that. So yeah, I want to do that, and I don't want to make a special UI thingy for it. So I'm probably gonna start using Amgui for it because I heard it's pretty simple to use. And then yeah, but first, before I do that, before I set up all of that, I want to figure out how to do what is it called? Um uh the buildings. So like I want to be able to just click on one of these, and yeah. Also clicking on them moves the mouse technically. What is this? Oh, okay. Yeah. Anyways, as I was saying, it has some like the way I'm doing the handling of the, you know, the motion is through this thing. But there's a oh, I guess I can use velocity. Because technically if I get the velocity and it's not high enough, that means that I'm not dragging or something. Because then I'm just clicking it. I think that could work. Sure, yeah, we can try that. So if if event velocity is less than, I don't know, 1, then return, I guess. Oh, that feels horrible. That feels horrible. Oh no. 1 is too much. Let's do like 0.0 or yeah, like this. Yeah, there we go. Now if I click it, it doesn't do anything, but I feel like the velocity is really bad. Like, it feels like the velocity isn't getting tracked properly. For some reason. Yeah, it's so weird. Like, it's like, it doesn't track the velocity well, which isn't great. Hmm. That's so weird. I think when you change, I think it's because of the change in velocity. Or maybe it's because it has to be absolute. Or normalized. And absolute. Because... Oh my god. I died. Give me a second. My nose is struggling for some reason. Yeah, it is because it's going to negative. I knew it. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. There we go. The worst. It's constructed the worst tasting meal possible. Yeah, what's up? What is the meal? You have to go really slowly for it to shit itself, and I don't know. It feels kind of like it's not responding, but like when you're doing it fast, it's fine. Oh, is it? Wait. Maybe when you hit the edge, it isn't, but yes, going up and down is the issue. Why would that be though? See? That's so weird. Why is that the problem? Oh, because both of them have to be more than... Wait, but why is... Huh? Do I need to do the length, maybe? How do I do that? Maybe it has to be the length. Can I not get the length? Yeah, I can. What the fuck? Right. Can I... No, that's why. Okay, that makes sense. But can I not get a length normalized? What the fuck? Why not? That's weird. Fucking instant ramen noodles throughout the seasoning. Put chicken and sauce, but the sauce is terrible. And the noodles are inedible. Damn. That sucks. Well, maybe next time it's good to not throw out the seasoning packet. Maybe they know what they're talking about. Okay, let's pretend that normalizing is cringe. And let's just use... What is the difference between this and this? Oh, okay. I see. I don't need to compare... Oh no, I do compare vectors. Yeah. Never mind. We're doing the squared. That's not what I pressed, but sure. Thanks. Why is it length and not magnitude? Godot. That's why. Why is it shitting itself? Oh yeah, right. What did I just do? Oh my god, I'm so dumb today. That's a lot. That's never gonna... What? That makes no sense. It has to be the normal one, right? Because, like, it's really high. Right? Yeah, that's better. So when I click, it doesn't do shit. It's 0. And then, well, I could do 1, actually. There we go. So if I click, nothing is gonna move, but when I want to move, it actually moves. There we go, that's so much better. Which languages use magnitude? C# question mark? I know that Unreal uses length as well, but maybe C# does length as well, I don't remember. It's been a while. C# is okay. I work with C# daily and it's alright. Yeah. Oh, that's so weird though. It feels good though, I like it. It feels very responsive, but when I click it, it doesn't move as much. I could do 10 as well, or like 5. Yeah, that's a bit better. How slow can we go? Very slow. Okay, let's do 10. 5 is fine. All right. Triple if. Beautiful. All right. Oh, Jesus. Let's do a funny. Thought it was gonna be DMB for a second. You don't know this song? It's a banger. Out of the insane juicer playlist. Damn. This is a Dead Mouse classic, you know? Alright, this is ass. What do we do about that? So, old system worked like this. There was a list, and it would spawn buttons based on these. And then I could buy the stuff and then, you know, whatever. New system, because this one is stinky and I don't like it. New system is a world map. This is the world map. These would be the buttons in this case. And then you would click on each of them, and it would open up for the thing in this section right here. So, how are we gonna do that? I have no fucking idea. But let's do it. So I think we should make a new thing called building. Or loops. Yeah, I mean, that's kind of what I was doing before, but the structure has to be good. Because it's not just buttons anymore, technically. It's fancy buttons. It's 2D buttons. It's not even normal buttons. Which is going to be horrible for controller support. But that's alright. We'll figure it out. I have an idea for that, so it's fine. I forgot what I was doing. Oh yeah, building. Let's call it structure instead. Because I like that better. I don't know. And then we can do multiple things. One of them is that it would be... trying to think if we needed to be a area 2D or not. Because it could be just a node, honestly. And then attach an area to it. I think that's better. So it's going to be a structure. And it will have an area 2D that has a collision shape, that has a shape. Let's make it bigger. It also has a sprite. Let's make this a different color so I know that it's something else. And then what else? Should also enable collision shapes. The old icon. I think it's 130, so let's do 140. for now. And then it's gonna be here. There we go. And then what? Did you figure out the pathfinding? I see. I will take that as a no. So I haven't started it since it was something new. I see. Well, it's not that bad, honestly. You just create a new object for the A star, and then if you already have a tile map system, then it's basically done. You just say, hey, this tile is occupied. It's the same as the cells in tile map. And then you say, go to this one, and it's gonna do the work for you, and that's it. You know? But I'm doing now because you're streaming, W. I'm making people work. Wow. What was I gonna do? Structure. Sprite area. It's for the tooltip. Oh yeah, tooltips. So about that, this is gonna be weird because so there is actually a thing in Godot that allows you to do tooltips, which is a pop-up window, right? It's an actual thing. The problem is that it works on its own layer, which is fine, and it's probably good because, like, if I make a new pop-up menu, I don't know, let's put a control there and a label or something, right? Test, I don't know. Doesn't really matter. Well, it's not going to be visible, but basically this would also always adjust its position to the viewport. But the problem is that this looks ugly and I hate it. So let's not use that because I want to have animated stuff and I want to do inspections. And you can't really do that with the default pop-up stuff thing. So I'm gonna make it myself. Is that a bad idea? Probably. I'll do that anyways. Weapon inspect. It's gonna be something for sure. That's why I'm attaching an area 2D as well, by the way, because like I'm gonna use this for mouse stuff because it already has. I don't like using mouse enter and mouse exit because if your mouse is already hovering over an area, it doesn't recognize it. But I had a project where I fixed that and I don't remember how. I think I was just checking it like every frame, which is not good either. So, I don't know. We'll see. But other than that, I don't think there's anything else that I need. This would just have to store okay, this is my idea. So the structure, I'm gonna save it actually. This would store the resource the data, right? But only on the visual side. Well, actually, I don't know. No, it has to store an ID or of some sorts, or put in a group. And I'm sure if I put it in a group, which I will have to do anyways because I'm doing it through an ID, if they match with the element number, like order, which they would have to, then we're good. So what it's gonna do is it's gonna assign itself to a group that doesn't exist, or I can do it manually actually. But then I have to do the data manually as well. I don't know how to do that. Well, I already am doing it, but I don't like how it's done. So we can do it this way. We can say add this to a group, and then when it's in the group, make or add its source or resource, like the base data, in an array in the same order. I guess that would work, yeah. I'm not sure though. It sounds like it should work, but I don't know. Also, sorry about works today. It didn't work on Sunday, I don't know why. It was just down. But yeah, that's one way to do it, or to just have it separated, but it has to be the same order. That's my only problem with it. So I think it will have to hold its own thing. Also, folder structure is another thing that I was going to rework, because I have it in... I have scripts and scenes separate, but this has to be... This has to have a scene and the script that it's holding. So, and I don't want to, you know, have it separated. So I'm not sure how to actually like order, like structure my files in folders. I'm not sure how it's optimal, I guess. I could just combine scenes and scripts into one folder and then do it that way, but that just seems weird. But it is possible to do that, so I don't know. I think I might have to do that. Maybe. Yeah. Because, like, I don't know how else I would be doing that, so let's do that. Scenes and scripts. Alright, let's combine these. It's gonna break everything. I might as well commit before I do that. Small fixes. There we go. Alright, let's break stuff. So, first, I think I need to close all of these scenes. And then hope that it's not gonna shit itself. Also, I should probably remove these from the favorites. And then... yeah. So let's put this in a new folder. Let's call it what would this be? This would be like the core stuff. I guess I could call it core if I wanted to. Or I can just call it game. I think core is better, but you know. Game makes more sense because that's where it does it? I hate organizing stuff. I just want to put everything into one folder because I don't know what to like how to organize folders and stuff. Because game is such a like what is a game? You know what I mean? I think core is good enough. And we can put stuff in there. It's gonna be like core game stuff, basically. So let's put yeah, let's put the core, save it world camera. Yeah, all of these can go there. So move to scenes and scripts core. Move. The rollers. Can go in the scenes and scripts, I guess. That's a very broad term, though. I hate this. There's gonna be so many stuff in one folder. It's gonna be very unorganized. I don't know if this is a good idea. Because I could just, if I really need to have something like the buy button that like it needs a script, and I just make a folder for it. I don't know. I think that makes more sense actually. Never mind. Let's just revert the changes. I don't like it. I don't like it. Let's move it back. It's weird that it doesn't say that I made a... Did I do it here? No, that's weird. Never mind then. I don't know. Anyways, yeah. Let's delete this. Cool. Now we have errors. That's great. Oh my god, please. Oh, it doesn't know what it is. That's not good. Why? Do I have to restart, maybe? Oh. I don't like that. And now we see it though. There we go. All right. Now we should be able to open it again. All right. All right. And if we need like a structures thingy, we can just make scenes folder structure. And let's move it. And then if we need to make a script, then it would go into the structure. Even though it's a script, we will live with it, it's fine. Last name, structure. Oh wait, but structures, well, I mean, structs aren't a thing in GDScript, so it's probably fine, but building would be a better name for it, I guess, but it doesn't have to be a building, so that's why I'm calling it a structure. Roller structure is also a bad name for it because technically it doesn't have to be. Should I differentiate them though? Because they technically do the same thing. I don't know. Maybe I should. Maybe it should be like a parent thing. One of them would be, so they would both be structures, but one of them would be a roller structure and one of them would be a permanent structure, right? Because technically they do the same thing. We'll see. We'll see. For now, let's just figure this out. Let's just save it like this for now. That's fine. And then it would hold a export var ruler base data. There we go. Wait, why can I not quick load? I have some, I'm pretty sure. It's weird that it's not recognizing it. Oh, because, right. Yeah, no, I know why. Never mind. Because this is technically a, yeah, never mind. Yeah. I'm stupid. Right, so if I go here, where's my map? There it is. And let's make a structure. If I do load, see, no, scripts rollers. Test one. You can see data. Let's just put it in the center for now. All right. So then if we hover over it, let's do that real quick. So let's do area to the mouse entered connect structure. Let's not call it that though. Let's call it something else. Let's call it like well, I mean, it doesn't really matter actually. All right. I don't believe that SpotTube is normalizing the audio. It sounds like one song is like louder and one song is quieter, even though I have normalization on. That's weird. We have an issue. It's not detecting. Why not? Why are you not detecting? It does have stuff. Is it because this is in the way? No. Because it's disabled. What is going on? It could also be because technically the sub viewport is blocking the mouse input. No, it's not. Never mind. Handle input locally. If true, this viewport will mark incoming input events as handled by itself. If false, this is instead done by the first parent viewport. Ah, okay. So if I do that, is it gonna work? Nope. Never mind. Why is that? Why are you not working? It will have to be something. It will have to do something with the sub viewport for sure. Physics. Objects rendered by viewport become subjects of mouse picking process. The number of simultaneously pickable objects is limited to 64. Is that why? Is that what it is? It is. Alright, that works. Alright. I still don't know if I'm gonna use this. I'm probably just gonna use a normal process to check for the mouse, because it's more reliable, I think, I found. It's slower, I'm pretty sure, but, you know. Or I think, at least, because that would make sense. But it works. Okay. In that case, we have that. So, like, if I make another structure, let's spawn another one, structure, and maybe one here, or somewhere here, I don't know. Sure, whatever. Let's just put it there. Oh, whoops. There we go. Like that, or something. And then each of these will have different stuff. So like I can load, I don't know why the quick load doesn't work. I think it's because it's technically not the same type that it's expecting. But okay, sure. But that's fine, because we can just do this. It's not a big deal. So this is test 2, this is test 1, and then this is test 3. Yep, that works. Cool. So we have the data, now we have to somehow make it clickable, and then make it work the same as it was before, basically. And then we'll be able to work on saving and loading. I really want to just get it done, honestly. So let's do that. Let's do clicking. That's what I was gonna do. I don't think there is a thing for it. I don't think neither of these have to be on. I'm pretty sure we're just detecting a mouse. Yeah. The area itself doesn't have to be detectable. I could just put it on another layer, but oh well. Let's see. Do we have a click input event? We do. Event records input pickable to be true. At least one collision layer. Yep. That works. Specifically here. Yeah. I don't know if I would use this one though. I don't know how the shape ID stuff works. I mean, I could check, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I can't. Wow. What is it called again? Input event on collision object. Connect to input event to easily pick up these events. Right. But is that gonna work? Requires input pickable to be switched. Yeah, that's fine. Is this... What is this input event, though? Oh, that's the... Right. Okay. Is the child index of the clicked shape? Oh, okay. So 0, right? Because this is the click shape. And the viewport would be get viewport. That's it. I don't know if I like this. I could just say... I could just do it myself, honestly. I don't know if I want to do it this way, but let's try. Sure, why not, you know? So, like... A viewport would... Oh, wait, no, we don't have to worry about this. Because it's already connected. So we only need the event. And then we say... Let's do... If event is... Give me a second, what was it again? But this is unhandled input, right? I think. Let's see again. No, it's not. Okay, that's kinda... This accepts unhandled input, so I guess... It is? Sure, let's pretend that it is. So if event is mouse... Event mouse button, then event dot button mask. I don't know which one is better. I need to see something real quick. GODOT button index versus button mask. I still don't know what the difference is. What the hell is going on? Hold on. There we go. Oh. No comments, I see. Yeah, what is the difference between a mask and an index? Button is the standard thing to... Oh, that's a different thing. Mouse. Button index, maybe? Oh, my right hand hurts. Ow. Oh, I want my keyboard. I got a new keyboard. I don't know when it's gonna arrive, but it's an ergonomic split keyboard, custom one. I'm gonna probably assemble it on stream, maybe. Who knows? I have a custom keyboard already, but my hands are in pain every single day. It's not a bad keyboard. I just can't use a normal keyboard anymore. My wrists are dying. Is this gonna tell me anything? But this has a button index. So what's up with the... Because if I do inputs event, no, this is not gonna tell me anything. Okay, they're using an index. Let's do that then. Let's do an index. But then if I go here, oh, never mind. That's fine then. That's probably fine. Okay, button. Oh, but this has button mask. I'm confused. What? But why does this one only have a button mask? What? But this one has both. This is so strange. Let's do index, sure. I don't know what the difference is. Equals mouse button left. What? Interesting lyrics. Excuse me. The VOD viewers are the non-existing VOD viewers, I should mention, will not understand what just happened, but that's okay. I think it's okay that way. Why is it shitting itself? Oh. That's why. Alright. Right. Position. Yep. That's gonna be our... Wait, do we not? We don't need position. That's fine. Oh. Oh no. It's gonna do that on every single one of them. Is that what this is for? I don't think so, right? Because it's a child shape, not a... Yeah, no. That's bad. What? Oh my god. Okay, good old click inside of an area to the rotate button in operation. What? Mouse click on area 2D, there we go. Why are you rotating buttons? But this doesn't work because if you have the button rotates things. Oh, your button? Which button? Yeah, okay. Exactly. I need to make my own. This is not gonna work. Oh, but I'm scared that the problem with doing it any other way is like, okay, let's try doing this, right? Let's do process, and let's check for let's do like print, or no, if get global mouse position, or no, if area to the pass points, okay, maybe a collision shape pass point. Okay, maybe the shape itself has, wait, can I get the shape from here? No. Get shape owners. This sucks. God damn it. Godot, why are you making this complicated? Hmm? Just don't do it that way. What way should I do it? It doesn't know the difference between. It's weird because these two do have. These two know the difference between each other, but this doesn't. Why? That's so specific. You know what I mean? The Godot way, certified TM. Real. Like why do these know the difference but this one doesn't if it's the same thing? You know what I mean? That makes no sense. Well, basically I'm trying to make this into a button because this is a structure that you will be able to hover over for tooltips and click to open a menu on the left, right? But that's not how that works apparently, because an area 2D can detect mouse positions, which also doesn't work 100%. It sucks balls actually in some areas. But basically, I want to be able to click on it and it would know specifically what, like, you know, what function and whatever it should do, I guess, on a click. If that makes sense. Also, I don't know how I'm gonna do that now that I think about it. I could technically just yeah. Whoa. Why? God damn it. No, but the problem is, look, this is what I don't understand, right? So these are enter and exit, and we can see clearly that only it's going to print only once, and it's going to print the one that I'm actually hovering over, right? But if I click on it, why does it do it twice, even if there's 3 of them? Oh my god, I'm dumb. No, never mind. Don't worry about it. Forget that I said anything. No. Nothing happened. It's fine. We're all good. We're okay. We're chilling. God damn it. Why am I so stupid? It does recognize it. I'm just dumb. Oh my god. So this one is 4-7. Yeah, oh my god, I'm dumb as fuck. Anyways. Godot is great. I recommend it to everyone. Anyways, let's continue. Everything works as it should be. Now, I have to figure out... I'm gonna have to figure out something. What is that something, you might ask? Well, I don't know, because I didn't figure it out yet, but... Bottom mask 0. Yeah, it's the same thing now. Isn't this just 0? Or 1? 0 is none, apparently. Maybe you're thinking of... Yeah, but these are not masks. Maybe that's why. This is an index. Yeah, I don't know what the difference is, though. I still don't get it. Because this one has only mask, and this one has only index. What? Oh, okay. I see. I guess that's better. Button mask equals is... Or what? No, please don't crash. What the fuck was that? That was a big lag. Is this... Oh, what? Then I don't want that. I'm just gonna do it this way. Because this one has... This one works. But that's because it's only on the motion. So, like, you know. Also... Wait, what? That's another thing. Look. We need to differentiate between a motion and clicking on the motion, because now it's gonna select the ones that I click on even if I don't want to, even if I'm just dragging along. I don't know if I like that. Should it select it if you click on it and drag it? Probably not, right? I don't think it should select it. Also, still, I don't know if I like this. I would probably make my own system, which I have before. Print on mouse button up, and if you moved after mouse button down, then don't do it. Don't do what? I'm confused. I mean, I could just do the same check with the motion. I can say, hey, are we moving? If yes, don't do anything. I can just do if event is motion. It's event mouse motion return. Never mind. I guess not. Oh, because it's never gonna be... I don't think it's ever gonna be a motion event. That's why. I'm really thinking of just making my own system, which I already had before, so like I know how to do it. It's just annoying. It's done through physics server and it's dumb. But it's better than this, you know? Because like one issue that I have with this system is that if my mouse is already in the position. Oh wait, no, maybe they didn't fix it. Never mind. Uh, Maybe they did fix it. I don't know. After you click on the button released, and if motion was between pressed and released, then return whatever you have to do. Yeah, but how do I know if there was motion between them? You know what I mean? Also, you're right. It's a button. It should be on the release. There is relative. That is true. Oh, another thing is that if this happens, like if I click and then move, and then my mouse isn't there anymore, and if I release, it's not gonna click because it's not a real button. I could store on click the last thing that I clicked. But at the same time, at that point, I better off just make my own system. You know what I mean? Because like I don't have any way of saving it globally, I guess. Well, no, I do. I can just save it here, I guess. But yeah. Yeah. You're right. Let's do this first. So like saved click. Cool. False. Yeah. Actually, let's do self or name. Let's do this real quick. Oh, but this is never gonna be true. I don't think, because the event is always going to reset this, so this has to be here, I think. Maybe not. I'm doing it wrong. If saved click. Oh, because no, this is never gonna work, because this only detects input in that area. So if I go outside of the area, it's not gonna work. Okay. Unhandled inputs. Button left. And event pressed. Oh, why is pressed and it's different things? That's weird. There's a screen drag event? Oh, that's for... Okay, never mind. I thought that was like a... Yeah, never mind. Due to keyword ghosting, express may reason froze even with the compensation. That's fine. And... Oh my god. Saved click. I don't know, released, I mean. Well... Yeah. Why is it shooting itself? Oh, yeah, right. That's why. There we go. Oh, but it's not, it's doing it twice now because this is doing something. Also, I should do get viewport and no, what is it? Set input as handles. There we go. Should I do it here as well? No, there we go. I probably should, right? Just to be safe. There we go. Now it works. Because it's already handled. So if I press it normally, it works, right? And then if I drag it somewhere, so I don't have, I'm still holding it, but you know, it's not there anymore. And if I release it, it's still going to click it. Beautiful, beautiful. Now the question is, what happens if I hover over this one? Okay, nice. It still works. Cool. Does it work even if I'm not in the viewports? It does? No, it doesn't. Why? It does sometimes. What the fuck? What? Why? Confusion. Or maybe I just didn't... Yeah, now it didn't work. Why? And again, it didn't work. What? On top of another button? No. What I want is like, you know how you can hold a button and then go away from it and then... Oh wait, but that's not how the button works, does it? Never mind, I don't have to do this. Never mind. I'm stupid. It's alright. We learn. I don't even have to do that. But I still think that this should be set handled because... Yeah, just because. Hmm. Well, I guess I can just move this here now. Because, like, if I hold and... Nah, it's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Yeah. It's probably fine. We're good, we're good. It's okay. Alright. Now what? We need to figure out how to connect it somehow. So like, it has to load. Well, this is gonna be element based now, like index ID thing. So like I can see like, or say like, okay, click this, check which order. Oh, but I have to go through it now. I don't know if groups. Can you check ordering in groups? I don't think you can, right? You have to for loop it. We can figure it out, I'm sure. Anyways, what I'm trying to do now is each of these is different and they have different data. If we click on them, you can see. So now I have to be able to connect that to this view somehow, which would be calling a function on the core. And then the core would update this somehow. I don't know how this section will work yet. I think it's just gonna load stuff from the core. Yeah. It's gonna update everything. I'm sure no bugs are gonna be present if I do that. So I have my burrito, I still didn't eat it fully, so give me a second. I need to take a few bites. It's buzzing. Which one? Can you link it? I see what you're saying. Yeah. 7TV emotes are not gonna be visible on the chat on the left on the stream because the person doesn't support 7TV on purpose, which is funny. I get why. They have their own stuff, but their reasons, but in chat it's still gonna be visible, so well, I have all of them. I have 7TV, I have PTTV, I have FSZ. Look, if you see on the top left, it doesn't show them. Like on stream chat, not in actual chat. Yeah. Because that one is a PTTV emote. How do I add it? Use emotes. Oh, I can make a custom name for it? What? Since when? Should I just call it Let's Fucking Go? Oh my god, you can. Wow. Oh, it's shitting itself on my end. It doesn't load. I think I have to restart my chat, but that's okay. It works, right? Is that Jacksepticeye and Charlie? What, like, it looks like, I don't know, it just looks like Jacksepticeye and Moist Critical had a brother or something. I see. That's funny. All right. What's I gonna do? Oh yeah, this thing. So let's do roller or structure title. Oh, Jesus. I'm gonna get water while we're having ads. I'll be back. Hello. All right. So, um, structure title goes structure title. Sure. Is this the only thing? No. Okay. What was I gonna do? Okay, how do we switch stuff? I think the core has to do all the work again. This big boy that will have to be smaller at some point. We don't need this anymore, technically, because these are already loaded. Oh, wait. Okay. Does anyone know if I load this scene, does this one load as well? Like if I put it in if I request a thread for loading and I say load this scene, is this one included, or is it gonna load this one and then lag because it has to load this one? It's part of it, so I would think it would load this one as well, but I don't know at this point, you know what I mean? I don't know if anyone knows, but yeah, I'll have to figure that out. Well, we'll see, I guess. We will see. Also, I learned a few days ago that OpenGL doesn't have, or at least what Godot uses, this compatibility renderer OpenGL doesn't have cache for shaders, like shader cache. So like every single time you run the game, you have to recompile shaders, which is like dumb as fuck, but Vulkan has it, so you know, I guess that's good. The problem is that when I'm gonna be using the Steamworks thing, Steam doesn't, like, the overlay doesn't work in editor if you're using Vulkan. It only works with OpenGL. If it's exported, then it's fine. But if I'm gonna test it, I would have to use OpenGL. But then I have no caching, so it's like, which one is better? I don't know. You know what I mean? It's like, yeah. Oh well. I don't know how big of a problem that's gonna be, but you know, we'll see. I guess this doesn't have to be a thing anymore. Or actually, no, it does, but... Oh, it's the base data. No, it doesn't have to exist then. Wait, does it? No, it doesn't, I think. Where else is it used? No, it's not gonna get used. Because the button instancing is not gonna... Like, this whole thing doesn't have to exist. Because it's always going to be on the map. I'm gonna be so happy that I won't have to do this because we'll have an actual debug tool. Let's fucking go. I'm so like hyped about making that. It's gonna be so nice. I might be able to do it today, but I always say that and then I don't, so who knows. Is this the one that has... Yeah. Wait, does it? Yep. It sure does. Okay. It's time. Oh, but this one doesn't have the groups because a group is based on a. Well. Hmm. For roller, and rollers, exactly. That's how we do it here. um. This doesn't have to exist. How do I connect it though? That's the issue, because this has to somehow be able to say let's put them in a group first. I think manually is going to be better because then I have control over the ordering. Wait, do I have to do that? Let's think about it for a second. What are we doing? We are making it so. Oh, why do I know the song? Oh yeah, banger. My Discord is shitting itself. Hold on, what's happening? Oh yeah, I'll have to make a Discord server at some point. I deleted a bunch because I don't care. I don't need them anymore. I still have a few, but it's usually because other people are there and still use it. But most of them I deleted, and then I want to make one for my projects, like games. Why is it still there? I should get rid of that. There we go. Yeah. I want to do that. I want to do like just for my games and stuff, you know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? All right. Oh, listen to this. Listen to this. The band at the end. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. That's some good music writing. Just adding that at the end. It's so good. Oh, what a banger. What's it gonna do? Oh yeah, so what I'm trying to figure out now, I have this rollers thing, right? Which is like the data, basically. So what I'm trying to do is I want to be able to like, this is just my data, and I want to like somehow match the elements for this data of this data to the structures. So like that's why I wanted to do it in a group, because then I can group them all in one group called like structures or whatever, and then or rollers or whatever, and then I can click on them. Oh, but wait, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work, no. Because some of them won't be rollers, some of them would just be clickable structures. I could just do it through signals, honestly. I could just connect them manually. But that's dumb. I don't think that's gonna work very well. Hmm. Um, any ideas? Any big brainers in chat? How could we do this? The problem with signals, I could do it. Well, no, that's not gonna work. No, we could do it through signals actually. I could just pass in an ID as as an input or something. Let's do that. Let's try it. Hmm. um, clicked, opened. No, clicked, and ID, I guess. Yeah, because then I need to like click here, edit children, and then do it that way, and it's like, or I could do it in code when it loads. I could do it both ways actually. I think that would be better to do it through like code, so they assign themselves instead of me doing it. Mm-hmm. So connect. Oh, but how do I connect to? Is it able to connect itself? Like if I do clicked connect. Oh no, it would have to be core something something connect clicked, right? I think. So we have no way of getting this from the map, so let's fix that. Core. Yeah. And then that's gonna be our core. And then what? Wait, what? Hello. Hello, welcome in. How are you doing? Should I call you by your real name or by your Twitch name? What do you prefer? Oh, I'm connecting. This is not the right way to do it. Let's connect a signal instead. Sneaky follower appeared, exactly. That was very sneaky. I'm trying to think if there was any functions that we had, but I don't think so. Let's make one. Let's, I don't know. Let's put it here. Let's call it test. Hello, gaming. Let's do structure core test connect. I said connect. What? Is that not how that works? I forgot how connecting signals work. Oh, you connect signals to things, right? So you would do... Wait, is that? I don't know. Signal callable. I'm confused. What is happening? I hate manual signal code. Well, it's better than doing it through this way, like going here, editable children, doing it one by one, then have a bunch of things. It's gonna... I don't like that. It's fine on UI, but this is... You have to remember, this is a scene in a scene. And that's what makes it ass, you know? So it's like... That's the problem that we have here. That's the issue. Rosam is just online name for X on Twitch. Oh, I see. Rosam, is that how I say it? Yeah, I would prefer to do it manually. It's just hard to understand. It's not. It's just that I'm doing it backwards. That's the thing that I'm doing wrong. Because usually you would do like clicked, connect, and then callable, which we could do. We could do. Well, actually, yeah, this is how you would do it. So you would say signal, connect that signal to which callable, and then arguments. So if you want to do arguments, you would do bind, right? So if, for example, here, it's passing in an ID. So we would do, it's actually going to show you here, I'm pretty sure. Connect. Oh my god. No? Maybe if I can scroll up. There we go. See? So you'd bind that callable. Rosam. I think Rosam or Rosa, because we have so many. I know like 2 people that are called similarly, I guess. There's Rose, which is the person making art, or I mean, you can see that's not there yet, but you know, for this game. And then Rosie, which is another person that I know. So, you know, Rosam is probably less confusing for me. How I'm doing and what taste am I? I'm doing good. What? Yeah, that's a good question. If cat pie was real, what flavor would it be? I'm not sure. It's purple, so it's probably blueberry. Okay, yeah, so let's do bind, and then I don't know. How do we do the IDs? That's another thing, because we have to do it. This sucks. Why am I doing it this way? We have to keep the elements the same, and each one has to have their own ID, which I could technically have as a export variable, which I will. 0 by default, -1 by default, because then we have to change it. So it's gonna yell at us if it's like, yo, what are you doing, you know? ID. See? It's that simple. You say which signal connects to what. This is still not correct though. Core dot thing. What is it called? Wait, what? What is this one? Where's the other one? Oh, test. My bad. I hate how I say, or yeah, anyways. And then you do bind, and then you do the arguments. There we go. Now it works. I think. I'm not sure, but I think that's how that works. You know? Or like purple sweet potatoes. I don't think I've ever had purple sweet potatoes. Do they just taste like normal sweet potatoes? Cheese blueberry, true. Yeah, it is kind of like a cheesecake looking thing. Yeah. Oh wait. That's not gonna do anything. That's the wrong one. Where's my core? There it is. Oh, it's what? Oh, because it's wait. Why is it not? Oh my god! Why is it not yelling at me? It should be yelling at me. That's strange. It should be like, hey, you're not using an input. It's still not working. Why? What? It is. It is connected. What? Confused. This is confusing. Why is it not doing anything then? Am I doing it backwards? No, because I'm not calling it. That's why. I'm stupid. Clicked emit. There we go. Now it should work. There we go. Yo, let's go. It works. Wow. All right. Crisis averted. You can make tea with it? With potatoes? That's weird. Tea and cheese blueberry pie? Yep. I actually don't drink that much tea. I drink more coffee than tea. Tea is good though. I like tea. Should probably get rid of the bounds so I don't see them. Oh yeah, they don't have IDs. That's what's happening. Well, we could do it through groups, as I said before. So like, the ID would correspond to group order, you know, or element order. I mean, I think that makes more sense, but at the same time, no, yeah, let's do it that way. Let's make a new group. Call it structures. How do you spell that? So STRU structures. There we go. And then or even, well, is it better? I could also do it through index or like order in the tree, but I don't know if I want to do that because not everything has to be under each other. I don't know. I don't like where this is going. Structures. And Yeah. Let's do it this way, sure. There we go. Gotta sleep for work. Good night, guys. Have a brilliant dev stream time. Thank you for stopping by. And good night. I hope I will be able to catch your next stream. I don't know if I'll have time, but hopefully. But yeah, thanks for hanging out. Whoa, my mic peaked. What happened? I just looked at my levels and it went so high. What was that? God damn. Yeah, don't forget to throw your points into the void. Hello, Brazak. How's it going? Alright, yeah, we can do it this way. Instead of doing like assigning everything an ID, but at the same time that's easier. Because then I have to go through it and then I have to go and see the structure thing and whatever. But it could help us because this is saving the whole object. So like the groups. So technically, if I wanted to update something, so instead of going from the structure to UI, I wanted to go from the core to the structure to update visuals or something, I could do it through groups. So I think that's better, actually. I think I'm gonna keep it that way. So is if we do like get tree, get group, get nodes in group, and then we do structures. Oh, did I? Yeah, there we go. Structures. Array of, well, we know it's gonna be structures, so array of self. Is that gonna work? No. Wait, is it? No, probably not. It's better. Yes, that's fine. We want to convert it because we know nothing else is gonna be in there. It's going fine. Well, it's better than bad then. I'm glad. Fine is good enough, and that's good, you know. Structures dot, I don't know, structures. Oh yeah, but how do we, that still doesn't fix our issue because we now have an array, but we don't know the elements. I could check search. No, which one is it? Get? No. Clear count has get? No. Which one was it? Finds? Yes. Or isn't it gets though? I guess not. Well, get would be this, so yeah, finds a self, I guess. Got my boss looking at CVs of people applying to my position. Well, what if there is multiple of your position, if that makes sense? I mean, it doesn't necessarily mean that it would that you're getting fired. Starfetchers is our new DLC, by the way, just random. It's good. It's, I would say it's almost better than the original game. Like, it's a different type of game, the DLC. It's just a random thought. I just saw a notification on Discord. How to say it. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna work, but we'll see. No. Try to assign an array of type, but I know that it's gonna be structures. Please. Godot. If I tell you it's structures, it's structures. I know it is structures. Please, let me have it. Oh, wait, no, this is a bad way of doing it actually, because we're saving. This is not a good way of doing it. We would want to do this on the core, because we're doing it on each. What the fuck? Phantom. Oh my god. Anyways, yeah, this is bad. I just realized. They are 3 people, me included, at the beginning of this month, so it's not like they're not expanding, but it's still kind of scary. Understandable. Yeah, but wait, hold on. Why? Why am I saving it on this one? Oh no, no, that's not how that works. Never mind. Yeah, I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Hopefully. Anyways, this is still bad. Why am I doing this to myself? I picked the worst idea ever. Why did I think that making a sub viewport communicate with this viewport is a good idea? God damn. Let's think for a second. What are we doing? We want to bind an ID. The ID has to correspond to... Well, do we want to bind an ID? Or do we want to bind an object? Because if we bind an object... No, we have to bind an ID. Oh, but that's one-way communication, and I needed to go both ways. That's the problem. Should I just do it the normal way of just signals in the core and just have a function for each? But that would still not... That's still one-way communication, though. We need a way to connect these to this, to the core, right? But then the core has to be able to update the structures. So I need a list of these, but also a correspondence to their data, which would be here. You know what I mean? So like if I play the game and I click on this guy, I should be able to see that, oh, this is structure number 3. change this thing, right? But then if I upgrade it here and I want the visuals to change here, then I have to go back, you know? So they have to like communicate between each other. And the way I was gonna do it was through IDs, where it would call an ID to the core, which would then be an element index in the data of the rollers, of the structures. And then if I wanted to do it backwards, I would just say, hey, which one is this one? And then go through a list of these. Well, actually, no, that will work. Never mind. That will work. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, never mind. That's gonna work. Yeah, we can do that. Now I just have to find the ID somehow. Because I don't want to save the structure, the array everywhere on each one of them. You know what I mean? So this has to be somewhere else, probably. Well, but it can't, because I have to know what ID it is. God damn it. It has to be a group for me to be able to do it backwards, right? I guess it has to be saved on each one, but that's so dumb. I don't like that. I could put it on the map and do it that way. But then each structure would have to ask the map, which ID do I have, which is dumb. You know what I mean? Well, is it dumb though? Kinda. Hmm. Well, I don't have to save it necessarily. So I guess I can just do this. It just looks very ugly. And then do find self. I guess that works too. It's kind of ugly, but I think it's gonna work. Yeah, that works, I guess. It's just very ugly and I don't like it. Because it returns the whole array every single time, which, and then it has to find it as well. But I have to remind myself that Bellatro is so successful and the code is dog shit. I have to have that mindset that I can do the same and it's good enough. You know what I mean? Because then I'm never gonna continue this ever. Someone tell me that it's good enough, please. You can lie, it's okay. I just have to hear it or see it. It's decent enough. I'll take that. Alright. We don't need these anymore. What? Oh, did I change it? Oh yeah, I did. Never mind. Okay. Can I change the... Can I change these? Oh, that's bad. What? You can't change the index or like the ordering. You have to remove all of them and then do it again. That's dumb. What? Why would they do it that way? That's very stupid. Oh well. Godot, am I right? I was thinking of I don't know who to contact, but I was thinking of streaming on the Godot's channel on Twitch when I will receive some art, when it's gonna be, you know, prettier, because no one wants to watch whatever I'm doing right now. So, and then I would be able to say like, hey, look, this is how it's gonna look like, whatever. I don't know who to contact for that though. I only have like Emmy, maybe. Maybe, I don't know. I have some contacts. I don't know if I have every contact, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, the other way. So we want to, let's say, alright, give me a second. All right, I'm back. All right, so yeah, backwards. Let's do that. Oof. Do we want to do that now? Yeah, just for testing, probably. So like, or no, we can't because we don't have any way of doing it that way. But that's okay. We can figure it out later. For now, um, we need to update this. So this is gonna be our updating thingy. So switch to structure. And then the ID is gonna be the structure ID, and then I kind of just have to guess. But oh well, it's good. It's good enough. It's fine. Um, Actually, let's do structure ID. Sure. Yeah. And then we can do, let's just do simple stuff. So let's do rollers. Oh wait, is it? Hold on. Are they initialized somewhere? Init rollers, maybe? Do I even have that? Wait, what? Where is this getting filled? It's not. Okay. That's bad. Hmm. Right here. All right. Right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know what to do. Um, let's do basically the same thing, but now we need to get stuff from the map, right? So we can say, oh wait, we don't even have a way of getting it. Access is unique. Sure. Well, it's probably better if I do it in the group section. Oh, it's the same thing as just doing a access unique, actually. Does it matter? Not really. Well, no, it doesn't. Let's do it that way. Oh yeah, because it doesn't have a type, right? That's okay. That's a problem though, wait, because then... Oh no, we don't have to do this. What am I doing? We don't care. We have the group, and that's global. Do we wanna... I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's just do nodes. Yeah. Hmm. Oh yeah, because I renamed it. What did I say it's called? What did I call it? Switch to structure. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Which one is which though? And that's coming from core, right? Yes. Okay. So yeah, that works. And this works too. Cool. I guess this is never going to change. What the fuck happened to my Twitch Ads Manager? It just disappeared. Okay. Let's refresh. There we go. No, it's not working. Cool. Thanks, Twitch. Okay. I think I'm gonna continue tomorrow. As much as I want to work on this, I'm getting stuck. I'm like, what was I doing again? You know? No, but it works. We know it works. Now I have to just pass the data here. Let's do that just for testing, and then we call it a day. What would it be? Switch. That's what it was. B. That's what it was. B. What? Anyways, English. Let's do. Oh wait, but yeah. I know what I was gonna do. This thing. The structures have to be global. I don't know where to put it. Let's just put it here for now. It's very messy. That's okay. Is that gonna work? Yes. Cool. You know what? When I started using groups, my life became so much easier. Groups are so nice. Just for getting stuff quickly. For example, the core thing. Look at this. Where is it? This get first node and group. I don't have to go through any like get parents stuff or whatever. This is a completely unrelated scene. And it can still get this node. It's beautiful. Technically the same thing as just doing unique, but better because it's already initialized. It doesn't have to wait for anything. If you're doing a unique name, it has to wait until it's there. But because it already knows that it's there, it doesn't have to wait for anything, so it's never going to be null. And that's beautiful. I love that. So, you know, it's just good. Switch. All right, so now we can say, oh wait, structures. Oh no, we're good. Yeah. So now we can say structures find. Oh no, structures ID dot var structure equals structures id. Let's do it this way. Oh no, we have to do it the other way. So, oh no, we don't. Never mind. Wait, switching to structures doesn't have to go through this, does it? Because it wouldn't look at this, it would look in the rollers, not structures. Because roller data, I need to rename that actually. Wait. Yeah, we don't need those. Okay. Switching to a structure would be getting the data from the live. No, would it? Depending on what structure, type of structure it would be, because there's the ones that you buy, and then there's ones that you can just go to. Okay, let me make some notes so I don't forget how this works. So we have a structure and we have a group of structures. This is the map stuff. Then there's rollers, which is something different. That's just data. This has to change as well. This has to be a resource so we can load it. And then, so this will be the live data. This will be what we're going to be loading and saving. Structures are map only. Things on the map. Visual only. So they shouldn't store any data. They only have defaults. They only have the base data. That's it. There's no live data on there. It's just there for it to know what title and whatever it has to have, right? The actual data is going to be stored in this array. Yeah, and this is where all the calculations are gonna get saved. It's kind of confusing. I have to go through it, but not today because I'm fried. So, yep, that's enough for me for today. But we got some work done. Next stream, I want to finish this, and then I want to do the upgrades. So I have to, make these buttons, and then saving and loading, and then I'm gonna try GUI for the DevTools. Yeah, that's the plan. All right. Who's online? Crimson and that's it, pretty much. So let's raid Crimson. Alright, thanks everyone for hanging out. Don't forget to throw your points into the void if you haven't already. And yeah, thanks for the lurks and everything. I'm gonna probably stream tomorrow, maybe. Who knows? We'll see. But yeah, I'm happy with the result of today, honestly. It's going well. It's going very well. I just have to figure out how to like correctly, you know, communicate between two layers, pretty much, between two scenes. And yeah, then we can get stuff rolling. And then we can start making content and playtesting. That's gonna be fun. So, and then I'll have to make the server that I was saying, the Discord server, so I have everyone in one place, you know, for the playtesting. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. I'll see you probably tomorrow, if not Friday or the weekend, who knows. But yeah, goodbye. Don't die, drink water.